Hello guys, we just got off our ship. We pick our luggages and we'll take our taxi and go to the airport. So we should have enough time. Our flight won't be till 2 o'clock, so we're just waiting for our company.